Welcome and thank you for taking time to learn more about the Legacy Life Care Kaleidoscope. The Kaleidoscope framework is Legacy Life Care's approach to person-centered dementia care. Its purpose is to define a consistent standard of care across Legacy Life Care for residents living with dementia, while still honoring each person's unique needs, preferences, routines, and life story. This framework is closely tied to our strategy house, as well as our mission, vision, and values. It is unique to Legacy Life Care, and it builds upon the strong standards, processes, and excellent work already happening across our residences. At the center of this work are several core principles: person-centered living, dignity and respect, and safety and security. We want every resident to receive personalized, compassionate care while honoring their autonomy and choices. We also want to maintain safe and supportive environments that reduce risk while still balancing each resident's freedom of movement and quality of life. Person-centered living. This means we focus on the person, not the diagnosis. We seek to understand each resident's routines, preferences, cultural background, abilities, and needs. That includes daily activities, personal care, communication style, behavior patterns, and medical records. By understanding the individual, we can provide care and experiences that are more meaningful, effective, and compassionate. Organizational commitment to excellence. This reflects Legacy Life Care's commitment to supporting residents living with brain changes through compassionate, person-centered, and evidence-based care. As part of this work, we are developing tools to support the hiring process so we can identify the right staff for this specialized care. We are also supporting the development and analysis of important data measures, such as consistent staffing, falls data, and other quality outcomes. This element also includes continuous improvement, sharing best practices across residences, and using technology and other aids when they can support resident care and staff success. Coordination is another essential part of the framework. Residents living with dementia often benefit from coordinated communication among staff, families, providers, and care partners. This includes regular assessments, individualized care planning, and the thoughtful transitions of care. One important part of our progress is using the senior care resident journey to identify where additional tools, checklists, and standards may be needed. This will help support successful care coordination, including transitions from assisted living to skilled nursing or other changes in care needs. The framework also emphasizes advanced staff training and competency. Our goal is to give staff the knowledge, tools, and confidence they need to provide excellent dementia care. This includes advanced dementia training via Positive Approach to Care champion skills, which include communication techniques, non-pharmacological approaches to behavior support, brain changes, and understanding the different states of dementia. Families are important partners in the resident journey. Through this framework, we are developing communication processes and materials that help families stay informed, connected, and involved. This includes opportunities for education, support, and participation in care planning. When families feel supported and included, it strengthens the overall care experience for the resident. The next element is a safe and supportive physical environment. The environment can have a major impact on residents living with dementia. Thoughtful spaces can reduce confusion, promote safety, support independence, and create a more calm and comfortable experience. This includes maintaining a secure home-like environment that promotes choice, self-expression, freedom of movement, and meaningful engagement. It also includes reducing overstimulation, minimizing fall risks, and supporting independence with activities of daily living. As part of the project, we are implementing a safe and supportive physical environment audit tool and reviewing the Environmental Excellence Deep Dive Audit to identify possible updates and improvements. Meaningful programs and daily interactions should be designed around each resident's abilities, interests, and life story. This can include cognitive activities, physical and outdoor exercise, social and emotional support, mealtime experiences, family involvement, intergenerational programs, and community connections. As part of this work, we are reviewing and creating standards related to activities and dining processes. The goal is to ensure that engagement is not limited to scheduled programs, but is woven into daily life. What does this mean for you? First, you are part of a team. Dementia care is not the responsibility of one department alone. It requires coordination, communication, and collaboration across departments, families, and care partners. Second, you are supported with training. Ongoing education will build confidence in dementia care, communication strategies, and behavior support. Third, you focus on the person, not the diagnosis. Every interaction is an opportunity to honor a resident's abilities, preferences, routines, and life story. And finally, you help contribute to a safe, calm, and dignified environment. The way we use our spaces, routines, communication, and teamwork can make a meaningful difference in a resident's day. We welcome your questions, feedback, and ideas as this work continues. Thank you for being part of this effort and the role you play in supporting residents living with dementia.